Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on this 2002 Trailblazer. This vehicle has the inline 6 4.2 liter engine, same as most Trailblazers, Envoys, Ascenders, Rainiers, and Bravadas. Only tool you'll need is a ratchet handle with a 3/8 drive. Okay, right down in here is your belt tensioner, and you can get a 3/8 ratchet or flex handle right into this hole here. I'm going to take my handle, I'm going to push it clockwise, and then I'm going to grab my belt. Okay, just a quick freeze in the action. If you did need some more leverage on that handle, just use a piece of pipe, put it right onto the handle, and that gives you some extra leverage and moves that tensioner easier. Slip it off my power steering pump, and then slowly let my handle back. Okay, and now I can pull my belt off my alternator, off the idler, off the AC compressor way down underneath. Okay, up around the water pump, and then off of the crank down low. There's my belt out. And here's my artist's rendition of the belt diagram. This is very important because these belts can be a little confusing to put back on, and I didn't find one on or in the engine compartment of this truck. So what you can see is basically you're going to put a big loop down around the crank, which is the largest pulley down at the bottom of the engine, run it up over the water pump, then down around the AC, and then pull it up through or by the idler pulley, and then loop it over to the power steering pump and the tensioner, and the last thing you'll put it on actually is the alternator. Okay, new belt from 1AAuto. Stretch it out a little bit here and take it and put a loop down, and you can't see this, but I'll just kind of call it out. Put a loop down around your crankshaft. Okay. It comes back up around your water pump here, and then down, okay, over your idler, and way down. Make sure you just take it, put a loop, push a loop down, and underneath your AC compressor, which is the smaller pulley way down at the bottom. Okay. And pull that kind of around. It comes back up and to the left side of your idler pulley. Okay, so we've got it down around the crank. It comes back up and around the water pump, then goes down around the AC compressor way down there. Back up around here. It's not on the alternator yet, and then it's over here around the power steering pulley as well. Okay, so now we're going to put our handle back into the tensioner. Okay, pull it all the way with both hands. Hold it down with my left while I take the belt and put it onto the alternator with my right. Make sure it's on my idler pulley, and then slowly release the handle, which puts tension on the belt. Okay, now we can see it's around my power steering, down around the tensioner, around the crank, up around the water pump, down around the AC, up by the idler and the alternator. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.